Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to show you how to clean a K&N air filter. So of course, step one is to remove it. So I already did it. You know, different cars have different ways of doing it. So with this one, just unscrew these bolts, screws, lift it up, pull it out. So this is the dirty filter. So now I'm about to show you how to clean it. So next, you want to get the K&N's proper cleaning oil or recharge kit. You can buy the oil separate and the cleaner separate. You can get these at places like Walmart, any auto parts store, Summit Racing. The prices range from $9 to $18 to $20 for the kit. So now I'm about to open this up and we're going to go ahead and start. So the first step is you just spray the cleaner onto the filter. You want to put a pretty good amount on it. Spray it on both sides. Okay, once you get done spraying the oil, make sure you get into all the grooves, front and back. So you're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after about 10 to 15, maybe 20 minutes, you want to get a low pressure water hose. Maybe even use a sink if you have one in your shop. Do not use any type of pressure washer or anything with force. We just want to gently just wash the cleaner out of the filter. Once you do one side, make sure you get all the cleaner out. You click on the other side and do the same. So after you get all the cleaner out of your filter, you want to let it sit for a little bit to make sure you got all the red or the black out of the filter. If you didn't, just reapply the cleaner again with another 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it out again. So once you got everything out, you want to let the filter air dry. If you have a place in your yard, you can have it sit in the sun. Let it air dry for a few hours. Do not use any type of compressed air to dry it out. Just let it air dry. Okay, so it's been dry for a few hours. It's completely dry. I done flipped it over a few times, let it sit in the sun. So now you want to get your oil and kind of start spraying it in. Not really too heavy, just a light spray. You want to fill it in. And then you're going to let it sit for a little bit. Let that dry. And then you see any white spots, you come back later and fill in the white spots with the paint or with the oil. So if you have a black filter like this, you just clean it. You do not put the oil on it. These are designed not to be used with oil. As you can see, probably, you can see it right there, it says do not oil. Okay, so about 15-20 minutes sitting out here. It has pretty much dried. It's a little white spot here. I did it on both sides, so I'm going to spray a little bit more to fill in the white spots and let it sit for like another 10 to 15 minutes. So it's pretty much dry. The red has filled in pretty much everywhere. So now this filter is ready to be installed back into the car. And you have to do this for another 30 to 50,000 miles. Depends on your driving conditions. So for more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video.